Let's make konda kavum. When making konda kavum, use a smaller pan of about this size. It's preferable to use a smaller pan as we don't use much oil. Keep a cooking spoon and a stick for when frying the kavum. Keep a cup with as well. You will use this for continuing the mixture when cooking. Let's make konda kavum. We will need about 2 tablespoons of fennel seeds. Roast the seeds until golden brown. After roasting the seeds, make sure to grind them. Caramelize around 50 grams of sugar. Mix it while caramelizing. Now, add hot water bit by bit. Add the rest of water. We have some more sugar which we are also adding into the mixture. You can add salt to do the mixture now. Heat it till all the sugar caramelizes. You can tell it's done by feeling the thickness of the mixture. Mix the flour and the rice flour and add it bit by bit to the sugar mixture. Mix it while adding the flour. Here we have about 200 ml of plain tea which we will also add. You can tell the consistency is right when the mixture flows down like a ribbon. Pay attention to how the mixture is added. Splash the oil into the outer middle of the mixture. Pick the mixture and turn it around, splashing oil on it. If you are practicing or this is your first time making konda kavum, use a less sweet mixture as it's easier to form a konda kavum with. People claim it's hard to make konda kavum, but it's practice that matters, so keep trying.